A for apple, apple means save. B for ball, ball means gained. C for cat, cat means billy. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fish, fish means machli. G for grapes, grapes means angur. H for hen, hen means murgi. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, jug means jug. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lion, lion means sher. M for mango, mango means aam. N for nest, nest means ghosla. O for owl, owl means ullu. P for parrot, parrot means tota. Q for queen, queen means rani. R for rabbit, rabbit means khargosh. S for sheep, sheep means jahaj. T for tomato, tomato means tomato. U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata. V for van, van means van. W for watch, watch means ghadi. X for xylophone, xylophone means xylophone. Y for yacht, yacht means yacht. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra.